The benefits of medicinal marijuana research, a topic for discussion during the Rotary Club of West Nassau's weekly meeting at the Poop Deck West restaurant today. President of the Caribbean Association of Pharmacists, Dr. Marvin Smith, outlined benefits attributed to medicinal marijuana usage. Smith says it's time for the country to see if this is an area we can benefit from through research.
I would like to see the Bahamas have a position that we will open up to research. There's a lot of research out there that shows that there's good efficacy for marijuana in medical terms and medical formulations. We're not talking about smoking and those sort of things yet. And I think it'll be good for us to find out from our own populations, because marijuana affects different people differently. For our own populations, what is it good for? How can it work? How could it impact some of the healthcare problems and crises that we see? And drive the research for the Caribbean through the Bahamas, particularly through the University of the Bahamas. I think that's going to be critical for us. And if the science supports good medicinal use, then we approve it. And if it doesn't, then we don't.
Rotarians also observed the 113th anniversary of Rotary at that meeting today. Rotary International will celebrate the event tomorrow. During his presentation, Smith also talked about how the research initiative could be funded.
The companies that want to produce it are going to pay for the funding. What we have to give them in the country is access to be able to do the research according to our guidelines and our regulations. And then they will come in and set up their own stuff. It's people who are interested in this as an economic product will drive the money part of that aspect of it. And we leave that for them. The same way when a drug company wants to bring a new drug, they pay for their own research, right? And so that's what I'm talking about in terms of when I say there's zero public funds have to go into this. I don't think public funds should go into it. And I think if we do the research and we get the approvals, we should ask these companies to also put some money aside for proper education, for abstinence programs. I think I've been very clear in advocating that the data shows that marijuana use for young adolescents, for developing brains, is a problem.